That little ending makes this word look feminine, but it's actually masculine. Today, you'll see how Russian gender really works and why it matters.
Моя папа – врач.
Мой папа.
Мой папа.
Да.
In English, mine never changes. My dad, my mom, my window, always the same. But in Russian, it changes to match the noun.
Мой папа. Моя мама.
Masculine for dad, feminine for mom. And every Russian noun has a gender, even objects.
Мой телефон. Моя книга. Мое окно.
Это мой телефон. Это моя книга. Это мое окно.
It's not just my. Adjectives change with the gender as well.
Новый актер. Новая актриса. Новое кино.
Same word, 3 endings, depending on the noun.
Старый король. Старая королева. Старое королевство.
And in the past tense, even the verb changes, masculine or feminine.
Он работал. Она работала. Папа спал. Мама спала.
The feminine just adds a vowel at the end. So gender decides everything around the noun. Get it wrong, and the whole phrase is wrong. Most of the time, the ending gives it away. If a word ends in a consonant, it's masculine.
Стол. Дом. Телефон.
These 2 endings make it feminine,
Мама. Книга. Неделя.
and these 2 make it neuter.
Окно. Море. Поле.
Learn that, and you'll get most words right. But a few endings lie to you, and that's the trap. Here's the first trap. Some words look feminine, but they describe men, so they're masculine however they end.
Папа. Дедушка. Дядя. Мужчина.
Take the word for dad. The mistake is to treat it as feminine,
Мой папа.
but it's masculine, so it takes the masculine mind.
Мой папа – инженер. Мой дедушка – врач.
It reaches the past tense verb, too.
Папа работал. Мама работала.
Dad's verb is masculine, mom's is feminine, and dad stays masculine even when a woman is the one speaking. Listen.
Мой папа работал в Москве. Моя мама работала в Сочи.
This catches names, too. These 4 are men's names, even though they end like feminine words.
Дима. Миша. Ваня. Сережа.
With any of them, it's always my brother, masculine. But 2 names go either way.
Саша. Женя.
Sasha can be your brother,
Мой брат Саша.
or she can be your sister.
Моя сестра Саша.
Only context tells you which.
Привет, меня зовут Дима. А это мой друг Миша.
Меня зовут Саша.
И меня зовут Саша.
Правда? Как забавно.
Second trap, a word you'll use every day. This one looks neuter, but it's masculine.
Кофе.
Almost every other borrowed word like this really is neuter.
Кафе. Такси. Пальто.
So coffee acts masculine, the others stay neuter.
Черный кофе. Черное такси. Черное пальто.
And the same with the number 1, a single coffee.
Один кофе. Одно такси. Одно пальто.
Один черный кофе, пожалуйста.
Мой кофе уже холодный.
So, these all look feminine, but they're masculine. And coffee looks neuter, but it's masculine too. My dad.
Мой папа.
My coffee.
Мой кофе.
My book.
Моя книга.
Молодец!
Увидимся в следующем уроке.